Doing yard work outside, and I just wanted to come inside and reflecting that it doesn't matter how a tree looks from the outside and the branches and the leaves. When you get through the bush of everything and you see the rot that's there, you can't unsee it. You can't do anything about it. It's rotten, and it's probably gonna always be, rotten. Sometimes you can't save a tree as much as you want to. The damage is done, the damage is there, and the only way of helping it is cutting it down and just wait for something else to grow. And that's like a lot of relationships, damage is done. The damage can't be unseen, can't be undone. And you just hope and pray that God, I know, I have faith in God, that God will repair those damages and will um, make all that suffering, all that rot be for something more beautiful and more worthy, and it's gonna be like the best beginning ever. And it sucks having to be patient, but I know that's what God wants me to be patient and not rush into things. As much as I have to offer, I just have to make sure to value myself enough not to ever let anyone make me feel that I am not worthy of good things from every aspect.